Hey folks, this video is a review of Dualfy.com. It is an online store that sells car-related products, offering items such as a portable outdoor wireless air pump, a hand spray car coating agent, and a car interior dust removal cleaning brush. It claims to provide free shipping on all orders. However, after conducting our research, we identified several serious concerns with Dualfy.com. It is crucial to carefully consider these issues before making any purchase on the site. The first concern is that the website lacks information about its ownership or operators. This lack of transparency can make users hesitant to buy, as knowing who runs the site is key to building trust and confidence. The second concern is that based on Whois data, the website is registered and operated from China. This is a warning sign because many scams come from regions like this, making it hard to find the people behind the website. Additionally, since the business is located overseas, it would be very difficult to get a refund or solve any problems. The third concern is that the reviews on the website for the products all sound the same and were posted on the same day. This is suspicious because real reviews usually have different tones and are posted over time, making it seem like they might not be genuine. The fourth concern is that the website uses copied product images. A quick Google search shows the same images on several other websites. This makes the website look less trustworthy, as real businesses usually use their own images to show their products. The fifth concern is that the website only shows positive reviews of the products, with no reviews found on Trustpilot or on the internet. Genuine products usually have a mix of both good and bad reviews, so the absence of diverse feedback raises doubts about the authenticity of the reviews and the products. In conclusion, Dualfy.com has several concerns, such as missing ownership info, suspicious origins, fake-looking reviews, copied images, and a lack of diverse feedback. These issues suggest the site may not be trustworthy. Thanks for watching till the end. Please subscribe for more updates.